For this effect, you need to go to the color tab and then you need to go to effects and then search for the defocus one. Drag it on top of the node, close down the effects panel for now, and nothing has happened. How is that possible? Well, we need to mask it out. So we need to make sure we select the magic mask. We select this, we select better, and now we're going to scribble over our subject and we're going to draw some lines, but we don't see anything, and that's because we need to toggle mask overlay to be on. Right, let's zoom in to make sure that everything is being selected. That has to be selected, and now we can track this frame forward. And depending on your computer speed, this might take some time. So now that this is tracked, we can open up the effects tab and we can change this slider, the blur slider, to make the background more blurry. We can also numb down the saturation to have more focus on our subject. Let's click the toggle mask overlay. There we go. Let's go back to the edit tab to our first frame. And now let me play this clip for you so you can see the end result of this. Absolutely stunning.